Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best harbor freight tool is probably one of the most controversial topics among DIYers and professionals. Some praise its affordability and wide selection, while others raise concerns about its durability and longevity. Today, we're diving deep into the world of harbor freight, separating fact from fiction, and determining whether their tools are worth the hype, or if you should steer clear. We'll put several of their most popular items to the test, examining their build quality, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Central Machinery Dust Bags. These durable bags are designed for harbor freight central machinery 35 and 70-gallon dust collectors. They're made in the USA and built to last. Supporting American manufacturing, these bags provide reliable performance and are a smart investment for your workshop. They're made from a thick, clear 5mm plastic, ensuring superior strength and allowing you to easily see the level of dust inside. With dimensions of 19.5 inches in diameter, 31 inches wide, and 40 inches long, they offer ample capacity to handle large amounts of dust. This 5-pack provides a cost-effective solution and ensures you'll always have replacements on hand. Keep your dust collection system running smoothly. These bags are specifically designed to fit both the 35 and 70-gallon central machinery dust collectors from Harbor Freight. Enjoy a perfect, hassle-free fit. What we like. These dust collector bags are manufactured in the USA using durable, heavy-duty materials. The 5-pack ensures you're always prepared. If you value quality and convenience, and need to replace your dust collector bags frequently, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Fit good on HF dust collector and sturdy bags. Would buy again. Very good quality. Much thicker than what I got with the dust collector. These made it much easier to swap the bag on the dust collector rather than attempting to empty the original bag. These are thick and stand up to some wear and tear with the dust collector moving in the shop or larger bits getting through the dust collector. Number 4. Central Pneumatic Air Compressor Reed Valves. These durable reed valves are perfect for your central pneumatic harbor freight air compressor. They're also compatible with several other models, ensuring a reliable repair. Made from stainless steel, these valves offer superior durability and longevity. They are designed to fit various compressors, including Sears Craftsman E100229. Each valve measures approximately 3/8 by 1/3/4 inches, ensuring a precise fit for your compressor. Double-check your measurements before ordering to ensure compatibility. Your purchase includes 2 high-quality reed valves, ready to replace your worn-out ones. This ensures you have a spare in case of future needs. These valves are designed for straightforward installation. With a simple replacement, you can restore your air compressor to peak performance. Don't let worn-out valves slow you down. Replace them with these durable options and get back to your projects quickly and efficiently. What we like. These stainless steel reed valves are built to last and are precision engineered for a perfect fit. You get 2 valves in each purchase. If you need reliable replacement parts for your air compressor and want superior durability, this is a great option. What people say. These reeds fit up perfect. No problems whatsoever. My old harbor freight compressor wasn't building up pressure. I found out how to fix it on YouTube, so I purchased this part. Initially I installed them a little out of alignment, so it didn't work. I took the compressor apart again, which is super easy, and realigned the parts. I tried it out again and my compressor was back in business. Saved me hundreds. My original manufacturer parts split into 3 pieces. These replaced and repaired my no compression issue. Number 3. USPEEDA Carb Kit for Predator Auger. This kit is a perfect replacement for your harbor freight Predator earth auger. It will give your auger a new lease of life. You get everything you need for a complete overhaul: a new carburetor, a fuel line grommet kit, a spark plug, 2 primer bulbs, and a gasket. It's a comprehensive solution. Designed for a straightforward installation process, it's easy to fit and get your auger running smoothly again. No special tools required. It's made with high-quality materials to ensure long-lasting performance and reliability. You can trust it to keep your auger running strong. Don't let a faulty carburetor stop your work. Order this kit today and get back to digging. We are committed to providing high-quality replacement parts for your outdoor power equipment. Get yours today. What we like. This carburetor kit comes with everything you need for a quick and easy repair. It includes a new carburetor, fuel line grommet kit, spark plug, primer bulbs, and a gasket. If you're looking for a convenient, all-in-one solution and fast shipping, this is the kit for you. What people say. Bolted right up and came with all the necessary items to run my auger. Easy to install, took about 15 minutes. After changing the carburetor it only took 2 pulls on cord to crank. Arrived on time, easy to install, fired right up and ran idled perfectly with no adjustments needed. I installed it in about 10 minutes and it runs better than brand new. No adjustments needed. Came with new carb, new gasket, gas line and return line, new pickup filter, new spark plug and new primer baubles, 3 of them. Number 2. Predator 52cc Auger Carb Kit. This carburetor kit is a perfect replacement for your worn-out carburetor. It's designed for a quick and easy installation, getting you back to work in no time. It's compatible with a variety of 52 cubic centimeters, 2 HP earth augers. Specifically, it fits the Harbor Freight Predator 63022, and several other models. This kit makes replacing your old carburetor simple. You'll be back to digging and cultivating with minimal downtime. It's made with high-quality materials to ensure reliable performance and longevity. You can trust it to handle the demands of your toughest jobs. It's not just for earth augers, it also works with various cultivators and ice augers. It's a versatile solution for your equipment needs. We offer fast and reliable shipping within the USA. Get your kit quickly and get back to work. What we like. This carburetor kit is compatible with a wide range of models, ensuring a perfect fit for your equipment. It's shipped from the USA for faster delivery. If you need a reliable replacement carb and have a compatible model, this is a great choice. What people say. This carburetor has an extra feature that doesn't exist on stock 56257 version. There were 2 adjustment screws here as opposed one on stock. Exact replacement for my HF auger. After I installed the new carb, it kicked over on the second pull. Number 1. HF miter saw carbon brushes. These new carbon brushes are perfect for your HF miter saw. They'll keep your saw running smoothly and efficiently. Experience superior performance with these high-quality carbon brushes. They are designed to provide a long lifespan and consistent power. Replacing your old brushes is easy. It's a simple process that will have your saw back in action quickly. These brushes are compatible with several HF miter saw models, including 61969, 61776, 69684, 91852, and 98194. Check your model number to ensure compatibility. Don't let worn-out brushes slow you down. These replacements will restore your saw's power and precision. These durable carbon brushes provide a long-lasting solution for maintaining your HF miter saw. Get back to your projects with confidence. What we like. These carbon brushes are designed for long life and easy replacement. They are a perfect fit for your miter saw. If you need to replace your worn-out carbon brushes and want a simple, effective solution, this is the right option for you. What people say. As advertised, good value. Easy to install. Working perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.